My name is Melissa Gragg, and I'm a divorce valuation expert in St. Louis, Missouri. I work with business owners and entrepreneurs in every stage of the divorce process, whether in mediation or litigation. There are so many questions and myths about what happens in a divorce when you own a business. So here are some of the top valuation issues every business owner should know before you file for divorce. So one of the questions people will ask is, should I get a business valuation done before I file for divorce? So most people always want to do kind of pre-divorce planning, or at a minimum know what the business is worth before they even decide whether to get divorced. So typically the business owner will reach out to a valuation expert and say, I want to try to get a valuation number because I'm doing some strategic planning, or I want to know what the business is worth for internal purposes. Typically the owner will not tell this valuation person the whole story, or that they're actually considering getting divorced. This could lead to a serious issue in the future divorce process if you actually get a valuation in writing, as of any type of date or for any purpose. You see, this report and any emails you exchange with this valuation expert could now be discoverable. What that means is that any email or conversation you have with this person could be shared with everyone in the divorce process, even if the valuation took place prior to the divorce. So now this business owner could have done a few things differently. When they had originally got the first valuation, they should have just been clear about the reasons for the valuation and that it was primarily for a potential divorce. And if they worked with an expert who routinely did valuations for divorce, then that expert would have told them that they should not put anything in writing, but that they should have a verbal discussion about the value. This would have also allowed the business owner to use the same valuation expert for the divorce, which means all the work that they put in to try to determine what the value was prior to the divorce could still be useful in determining the value at the date of divorce. One of the things that you have to keep in mind is that when we serve as an expert witness in a litigation, we're not covered by the same privilege as your attorney. So an expert is there to help the judge understand the financial situation of the company and of the couple. I'm there to serve the court, not to be biased towards one side or the other. So when you have a conversation with an expert witness, it is not privileged, which means that the expert can be pulled into court to discuss what you've told them. The expert may also have to produce all the emails that you've sent them. So when you send an email that says, make that business worth nothing and I don't want to give my husband or wife a dime, that usually won't go over very well with the judge when it's produced in court. So a business valuation expert is bound by confidentiality, which means that they won't discuss the nature of your business or your financials with other people outside of the divorce, but it also means that when they are subpoenaed for trial or for even a deposition, the other attorney could ask for all of the emails, all of the interactions, all of the notes, and anything that was developed and provided by that business owner under any context during the valuation engagement. The divorce lawyer could ask for offers to buy your business if you've received any offers, either in writing or in email, and any other valuations that you've had over the past 3 to 5 years. So the attorney could ask for information in the first valuation expert's files, even emails prior to the date that you filed for divorce. So this means you need to work with somebody that knows how to value your business, but also knows how to testify in court. This will allow you to understand the value of your business prior to filing for divorce, but also not to have any documentation of that number or any prior valuations that could be discoverable during your divorce. Basically, this also means you need to be very honest with the valuation expert about the reasons why you want to go through the valuation process, and to work with somebody who understands the nuances of divorce court. So now I'm considering filing for divorce, but I want to be prepared. What should I do next? Give us a call. No, really. You should reach out to somebody who specializes in valuations for the purpose of divorce. There may be valuation companies near you, but do they understand the divorce court system in your state? That would be a good first question to ask. Then see how many times they've testified. Are they trained as a mediator? Do they understand how to negotiate these settlements with other experts? Well, if you have any additional questions or you want to talk about your specific situation, give us a call at 314-541-8163 or check out our website at valuationstlouis.com.